that you're on my mind, boy. You make me feel nice. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. Hey y'all, it's me. It's Nishaa on the scene, and I'm about to make another lit video. Hey y'all, it's me, it's Nishaa, and I'm back with another lit video. And as y'all can tell by the thumbnail and title, today I'm going to be getting my lashes done for the first time. So I'm about to take y'all with me. I was like, how would I look going to get something done for the first time and not even vlog it? Come on. So yeah, this is why I look a little crusty, but we gonna look cute later, so it's whatever. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and put my post notification bell on so y'all notified every time your girl post. Plain regular white tee is I have on these stacked sweats. Hey y'all, so I'm at the Lash Extensions with her, y'all. I'm gonna put her Instagram up here so y'all go book her. Y'all gonna see the end result. I'm excited. It's my first time, but I'm expecting the best. So yeah, y'all. First what I'm going in with is the primer. I prime the lashes first. It helps with lash retention.
I use from LLBA and Stacy Lash. These are the type of tweezers that I use. So we just misting them now, guys.
Extensions? They look so good. Oh my god, I feel like a pretty princess. Overall, y'all, my opinion on like how it feels, like why you get like as a beginner first time getting lashes done, when you first get it, it's a little funny. Like it feels a little funny because it's not your regular lashes, so it feels a little funny. It does not feel like strip lashes at all. It feels a little funny, but it doesn't feel like you really have anything on your eyes, you know? Like it just feels like, I don't know, like you're adding length. So your lashes just feel like, you know, you have more lashes than usual, but it still doesn't feel like a strip. Like it doesn't feel heavy as hell. It doesn't feel like nothing, to be honest. But while getting the lashes done, I could say that, you know, y'all have to make sure your eyes is closed, because I have a thing, like I sleep with my eyes a little bit open. I know that's weird, but that's how I sleep, so it is what it is. So I was starting to like fall asleep on the chair thing, so I was getting mad because every time I fell asleep my eyes will open a little bit, and then I'm like, damn, instead don't close back. And it's like, yeah, y'all, if y'all sleep, if y'all have that same issue when y'all sleep, y'all eyes open a little bit like me, please do not fall asleep. Try to like talk to the person, try to make conversation, try to like do other things to distract you, to make you up. Maybe if you have to tap on your leg, do what you gotta do, but yeah, just don't open your eyes. But besides that, y'all, everything about it was easy, it was nice, it was fast. As y'all could tell, I was in and I was out. Next time I think I'm gonna get more like dramatic, but I'm really loving these right now. It's giving me real natural. Y'all look a mess, so I'm just gonna stop recording and I'm gonna edit this and I'm gonna try to upload it today. Even though I recorded it today, but I'm gonna try to upload it today because I haven't posted a vlogmas video in like 2 days or 3 days. So this gonna be another video, and I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below any like lash tips that y'all have for people that watch this video and want to like know like experience and stuff like that. Comment that down below. Comment down below how was your lash first time. I said lash first time, what? How was your first lash extension experience? And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope I helped y'all or like made y'all feel more comfortable getting lashes done. At first I was a little scared, but it wasn't scary, so